Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload your CV in GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically in this video, we will be needing just to follow these article here and in Medium. And this is exactly how you can upload your CV. So basically you will be needing just to create a repository for your CV and upload the file into your README file. And basically you will be needing just to click on your repository. Here you will find type resume or CV. You can name it whatever you like. So basically this is CV. You create a repository and I'm the owner, of course. And from here you will be needing like just to create a repository. You can add a readme file. This one is optional. You create a repository, and basically after that you will be needing like just to upload files. So I'm just going to refresh here, and basically we will be needing like to go to our code, and from here we will be needing to create a new file by clicking on create a new file. So here we are creating a new file, and basically you can just like add readme or whatever here, so we can just make our repository not to be empty. And from here you will be needing to upload file, and then you will need just like to upload your PDF file, and then you will go to settings, and after that we will be going to the pages. You deploy from branch, and from here we go to main, and you click on save, and then you go back to your code, and from here you will need just to create a new file, and it will be in HTML. So let's just call it HTML, and then you will need just like to add a frame to add your repository. And basically you will need just to add this specific line of HTML. So you will add a frame, and the source will be like the link for your uploaded resume or CV. And then basically you will find it employed or deployed by going to settings and go again to pages, and then you will find here like the link of your website, and then you can like show it in your social media, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.